Hello everyone. Today here are some motivational thoughts. I hope you will like these thoughts, and if you like them, please like and share the video. Now, let's get started.
In most things, success depends on knowing how long it takes to succeed. Success is not how high you have climbed, but how you make a positive difference to the world. The worst part of success is trying to find someone who is happy for you. I am a success today because I had a friend who believed in me and I didn't have the heart to let him down. However difficult life may seem,
There is always something you can do and succeed at. Whatever we believe about ourselves and our ability comes true for us. People who say it cannot be done should not interrupt those who are doing it. Never be limited by other people's limited imaginations. You can do what you have to do, and sometimes you can do it even better than you think.
no career counselor or internship will
Able to help you with your career if you don't have an aim, purpose, and passion for what you want to do in life. Leaders never use the word failure, they look upon setbacks as learning experiences. Thank you.